And I greet again all of you. We can see together the news. It's not about that you just emphasize what is happening so that you can call people. We don't call people. We just remind you the words. That's what we are doing. Because it's been a long time that we have called you that you don't want to go. What we will do with you? We just remind you that you despise the words of my sender, his beloved Father YAHVAH and YAHOSHUA. You have despised our God, and you really see what he does. So wake up your God to stop what he is doing. That's what I'm saying here. My beloved Father YAHVAH is saying that you say he is a force. He is sending me. You can see now that you say there is no volcanoes in Madagascar anymore. That now you can see it's shaken. Those will go to the heaven of heaven. They will be decided, and they will be with beloved Father YAHVAH and YAHOSHUA, and they will be baptized on 8th of March. And the last date for the baptism, you can write your name on March 4. It's for those who are convinced that it's not you who are going against this teaching and you were not convinced that I'm calling here. No, but those who are convinced, come to YAHOSHUA. My words are not too long. Be conscious for what you have seen. Do I see the danger and the fool keep going and they face the consequences? So that is the end of my words because it's at night and we want to sleep. So see you tomorrow. Goodbye.